Hi everyone, my name is Carrie and I'm the content marketing manager here at Appfluence. So I am in charge of everything that has to do with content related to, priority matrix, Appfluence, and then that spans into the broader project management tips, productivity space. So today I'm going to show you how I use priority matrix to increase visibility across my team and make sure everybody's working on the right things. So today I'm going to walk you through how me and my team use priority matrix to manage everything from keyword research to content production and then promotion of that content on the back end. And I hope that as a marketing manager, it will help you get a better idea of how to implement priority matrix in your team and get up and running smoothly with the software. Alright, so now we are in Priority Matrix, and you can see that when you open up Priority Matrix, your home screen view is going to be just one project. So we have our project list over on the side, like blog design, blog content, content promotion, keyword research, etc. And then each project is split into 4 quadrants, and those quadrants are based on the prioritization method called the Eisenhower method of prioritization. And so as a marketing manager, this is extremely helpful for me because one, I can make sure that our efforts are focused in the right place. And then I can also see who is in charge of all of the moving parts of our project. So the little icon alongside each task shows who's in charge of what. And as a manager, I can just peek into this project and see, oh, Erica has a task overdue. Or, okay, Cody has this article that he's working on and it's going to be done in 5 days. So walking through the process of, creating a piece of content, getting it posted, and then promoting it, I always start with keyword research, whether that's using a tool like Moz or having a conversation with our customers. And I'm showing you, an example project that I have set up, but my personal keyword research project has like at least probably 75 different ideas in it. And I've actually broken them down into high count or count versus competition in a 2x2 matrix. So this is a custom matrix that I have set up, and anything that has a high count, that's a number of searches per month, with low competition is going to be our highest priority. So I actually put in the notes section the amount of searches per month that each of these gets, and then using a tool like Moz, you can actually find the difficulty of how hard it's going to be to rank there. From there, what I'll do is move this into our content production project. And then what I like to do is add details in the notes section for what I want this to look like. And then I also will set a due date on this so that whoever I assign it to knows when I need it to be done by. And then to delegate this task, all I have to do is just click here and then enter the name of the person that I want to delegate it to. And he'll be notified. And when he gets this, he'll have all the information he needs to complete this task. So using features like this, just the simple notes section, setting due dates, is actually how we've been able to cut back emails internally by almost 100%. When Cody finishes producing this piece of content, he can then share it with the rest of the team to get it reviewed. And if that file is stored locally on his computer, it's just as simple as going into add files here. If he has this in a Google Doc, like that's where we store most of our stuff so that nothing gets lost, you can actually just take that sharing link and go ahead and then paste that into Priority Matrix. So we have a link section for everything we do here. And then just double clicking on that task will actually allow whoever's reviewing it to open that up. So what happens next is he'll drop this into the article peer review project, the first draft, and then he'll assign it to whoever's going to be taking care of looking that over. So in this case, let's say it's Erica. When she's done, this will move through all the phases. So second draft, final review, ready for posting. And another way that you can do this if you don't want to break this down into quadrants is actually just by using the progress level. So for me, anything that has been reviewed and then is ready for posting, I just automatically put that at 95% progress. And then I can actually use filters to sort things by progress level, and I'll see every piece of content that's ready to be posted. Once we post something like this, then it goes into the promotion phase, so where we're going to either work on building links to it or just getting some more eyeballs on it. And so again, you can just drag and drop, and then with something like this, we would probably want to posted on Quora, posted on some social forums. And I have a team of interns that actually works on content promotion for us. So hand that off to one of them, and then once they're done promoting it, they just check that off as done and go ahead and it's finished. And again, by using Priority Matrix, I never have to send those annoying check-in emails. Hey, are you almost done with this? Hey, what's the status? Because as everybody updates things, using either this progress level or sending me messages in our conversation tab, I know exactly where they're at. A couple more tools that Priority Matrix has to make this visibility better for you and help you hold your team more accountable are our project calendars. So if you click on the calendar button, you can see all the due dates in a calendar format for any project or across all projects. And these calendars also sync with your outside calendars like Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, and whatnot. So I actually have this on Google too. And then we also have Gantt charts. So anything that has a long timeline or anytime I have a lot of overlapping due dates, I'll actually take advantage of our Gantt chart view as well to see when we're going to be able to wrap things up. So if we look at something that might have, a start and end date, then this Gantt chart starts to look really nice and provide us a lot of valuable information. And that will actually update in real time as your team updates Priority Matrix. So if a due date gets pushed back in Priority Matrix, that'll be reflected here, within seconds. So that was my tour of Priority Matrix, and I hope that it gave you a good idea as a marketing manager how you may get started up and running with the software. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I love helping people in similar situations to me get started using Priority Matrix, be successful with the product. So my email's on the screen. It's just carrie@appfluence.com. And please don't be shy. I'd love to hear from you and how Priority Matrix can help your team, what kind of challenges you're facing, anything you'd like to share. I'd be happy to hear from you. Have a great day.